So I was like working on my some tags and stuff from my digital kit. The ocean is calling. Um, I don't know if you guys know, but I do mixed media, and then like last year I did a lot of canvas, and then I decided to do like now printable version of it, so you guys can have anytime you want. You can download, just go to my Etsy store, and then you can get all the kits there. This one is inspired by the canvas called The Ocean is Calling. I actually don't have a video on this canvas. I didn't make a video for that one, but I have the canvas here. This is the canvas that I'm talking about. As you can see, I use real shells and metal stuff. I use a vintage necklace, jewelry from friends. I use some Dolce collection, some fishes, sand. I did all kinds of techniques on this one. I had shells. I did like was Lindy's gang, magicals. I did gesso. You name it. I think I work in every print, like a lot of things on this canvas. I add stones. I add like beads and a lot of things. So it's really beautiful. So I decided to now make it printable, so you guys can download the digital prints and work with do whatever you guys want, so I was like making some tags and things inspired in the kit, so you guys can see how much you can do with using those prints. So I actually started like a mini journal here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a journal. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time, but what I was trying to do is just like start with a page that from the Craft Smart. I just like add like to start, and then start to put some things together. So pretty much this is part of the kit, not the tags of course, but is like you're gonna get pages like this, where you can make pockets or tags and postcards, whatever you guys feel like. So see, this is like a part of the kit, and this one I was making like a pocket, so I stitch all over with sewing machine, a zigzag thing, and then I was making some tags to see how it goes. I was going to put the sorry silk things in here. I was going to use some like inspired colors that matches with the canvas. So what I use for my tags, these backgrounds are from leftover of pages that when I'm making the mixed media, when I'm making the canvas, when I'm spraying stuff, I actually like to put some like a blank paper underneath. One, to avoid the mess, and second, because I don't want to waste my Lindy's gang magicals. So see, this is what happened. So I do this with the gesso, with the stencil, with the ink, whatever. So I always keep my stuff because I know we're gonna use later. And see, this is part of a page, and look how cute this tag is now. So you can use in your kit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like take pictures of all of these, and I think I'm gonna make some digital prints of these two, and it's gonna be for free. I'm gonna add on my Etsy shop, so you guys can, when you guys buy this, you can just buy this you can just get these extra bonus things for free, okay? So I think if you go on Etsy, this is gonna be like this kit gonna have a lot of things. I think it's like gonna be $265 or something like that. So that's pretty much what I wanna show you guys, but I now I wanna show what I made with the kit. So I start to put them together with some other paper that I found. So I found this paper on Craft Smart, and then it's really like ocean kind, like like the theme. Then and I put some shells that my granddaughter gave me last time we went to the beach together. I actually save everything, like I told you guys. These are the little shells that she collected for me. She was so cute getting them. just like tiny bits of it. So that was really nice. She was really like into it. She knows that I do this. So, and this is another tag that I also did, same style. This one is done, is finished, but this one I'm still working. This is actually from her birthday last time. I mean, when from her birthday. And then I saved them. Of course I'm gonna cover this because we are doing vintage stuff here, but I was going to do pass some gesso, and then I was just going to stick on the sand to make, like, you know, coming from the beach or something like that. And then I was going to glue this round things that you're gonna get with the kit. You can make clusters with them, you know, you can make whatever you feel like. And then I was going to just put this behind. I start to work on this tag. I didn't finish yet, so it's a working project. I glue this vintage ribbon, and then I put the flower there. That one is pretty much done because I already stitched all over. I just use like a file folder that you know, I got from my work. My boss gave to me a bunch of things. Thank you, boss. And I did print this. I did stamp this surfboard. And then I, with this little with this little card that you're gonna get like a page full of them, like a oval thing, you can do two things. You can use like oval, or you can cut a shape of a tag and use as a tag. I did keep the original way. I add some cheesecloth, and then I put the shell that my granddaughter gave it to me. Kaylee is her name. And then also I add just this behind there, and I put this beautiful ribbon, and then his tag is done. The next tag is I use the same thing that I use in my canvas, a leftover of a net, and then I put some shell beads, the little shell that she gave it to me. I used the leftover paper from another project that I was doing. I don't remember. I spray something, and then that's what I have. And then look how cool. So I probably gonna also print this page and give it to you guys, like a printable version of this for free with the free kit. Okay. And this is the back is just like a punch card, old punch card. So that one I got the circle thing. I cut straight here, and then I just glue on the bottom, and then I make like a pocket, a mini pocket. This is Mykonos, a picture of Mykonos. I've been in Greece, and then this place is amazing. Since this is all about ocean, so why not, you know? So, and then this is a little bottle that I have made from my apothecary. I made like with the ocean smell, perfume inside. When you smell, oh my gosh, it's really like taking you to the ocean. So just I took a lot of pictures of this bottle, and then I included in a kit, so you guys gonna get that too. It's really pretty. As you can see, you see this sorry silk that the bottle has, so in the picture you're gonna see those. And then I also add a few tags here that has the same ribbon. Let me show you one. Let's see what it is. I'll get there in a minute, but I am sure that I use one or two tags with the same ribbon. I think it's inside here somewhere, but I'll show you to you guys in a minute. So let's keep it going. So for that one, I am still working on this. Also another page of Craft Smart, and then the back is also some leftover page. I just add this vintage lace, and I was working on that one. I was tidying some stuff, not sure what I'm gonna do yet. This little this one I did a cluster, mini cluster with a button, some crochet things, and then I was going to actually incorporate them here with more stuff, not sure. I did put a bread there, so that's why I was like trying to finish that one. And This one here, I kind of like finished already. I stitch all over, as you guys can see. It's all over stitched. I cover the bread. I don't like to, I don't know. It's kind of seems they're gonna hurt someone. And then I did this aloha thing with a little cheesecloth, and then you can actually add the card. I was going to do this card is kind of shiny. I did like put some distress around, but I was thinking to add this starfish that I have there as a charm. So that's why I found this card that's kind of copper. And then since this is a leftover page, see, also another leftover page with that I did with extensil from another project, and then I save it. So see, that's what I'm talking about. And this is one that I just finished, a mini tag. Actually, this was one of the round ones, the what is it, the this round that you guys gonna get, but I cut as an I just cut like pretty much I just cut the top and cut the bottom straight, so you make a little tag. So that one I put burlap, and I put the shell, one of those famous shells now. And then I have one more here, one more there. So I made 3 little tags. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them. Oh yeah, this is the bottle, the big picture with the bottle that you guys gonna get. And see, I put in this one I put the same sorry silk, because I still have some left over from the original bottle. So look how cool. And I now you have all like a set. So what's I might sell all these too, not like a finishing journal, like a journaling pieces and snippets and whatever. Maybe you guys can get this too. I don't know if you don't want to download the printable version of it, if you don't want to buy that if you think you're not gonna, maybe you already have a journal that you want to put this inside, I don't know. So I'm just gonna maybe put in there. Yeah, so this is another tag that's done. I didn't stitch that one, but I did actually put the ribbon. I was like file folder in the back. I did, but now I use the round cluster with a little ribbon there with the shell, and then the sorry silk here, and then a mini card that's gonna go there. Really so cute. And then I'm still working the other ones. So for the pages here, I actually start to find some stuff that I thought was really cute, this one, and then I just stitch all over. Now I just finish. I gonna have to fix the little corner there, but I did put like a lace, a vintage lace. I do have this picture there when I went to Hawaii. I got this card from someone, and then it says life is a gift from God, and it is in Hawaiian. It says Ola Ika Mahana Maki Akua. I'm not sure if I said this correct, but it's Mahana Maki Akua. So it's kind of like saying that life is a gift from God, which pretty much I think of course it is. So that's I want to just share with you guys all these beautiful things. Please go and see my kit, and I have other kits that I'm working on. I did for the Columbine, and the other I think it's a rose and lace one, which is I don't have a canvas, but it is from some pictures that I took with my bottles and stuff, you know. So, and then also have some tags there for Halloween, whatever. So whatever you guys want to see it. So that's pretty much it for this. I just want to share more from my kit. I want you guys to see to have the opportunity to get the same thing. You know, there is one more new kit that I'm working. I'm gonna put for sale on Etsy too today. Is what is beautiful. It's from Angels and Fairies. It's really beautiful. It's like a mix of shabby chic with angels, fairies. You know, it's beautiful. So you guys keep an eye on it. So I will try my best to put the freebies there, like some free kits, so you guys, you know, feel inspired. Okay, thank you so much guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.